The look of the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro, and more specifically the selection of iPhone 15 colors, have appeared in detail in videos posted by John Rettinger to Twitter. These may be the same dummies seen in a previous leak, but whether they are or not, the clips show us much more than static images can. In this video, we see the standard iPhone 15 and its alleged black, white, blue, yellow, and pink color options, all of which are quite pale compared to previous generations of iPhone colors. Also, there's no sign of the more interesting-looking mint green or orange colors we had heard could be offered. In another post to Rettinger, we see the similarly unobtrusive colors rumored for the iPhone 15 Pro. The choice here consists of space black/gray, white, titanium gray, and blue, with no gold option for the first time in iPhone Pro history, as previously reported. There had also been rumors of a red iPhone 15 Pro option in the past, but that seems to have entirely disappeared from more recent leaks. Of the new features rumored for the iPhone 15 series, the only one we can really see in these clips is the USB-C port, which will be replacing the Lightning connector after 10 years of service. Other alleged changes, such as a new action button on the Pro models or the iPhone 15 Pro Max/iPhone 15 Ultra's periscope telephoto camera, aren't visible here, but can be seen in previously posted renders. Then there are some claimed features, like the A17 Bionic chipset or enlarged batteries, which we'll need Apple to confirm. With the Apple September event in the calendar for Tuesday, September 12, it's only a short wait until Apple confirms the colors of the iPhone 15 series, and all the other rumored features too. While the new iPhones should be the stars of the show, expect to see the new Apple Watch 9 and Apple Watch Ultra 2, plus maybe the iPad Mini 7 get revealed. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below.